Take your clay out of the bag and cut a 1-inch piece off of your block of clay. Put your block of clay on a non-stick surface such as wood or a paper grocery bag that's been taped down. I find it really helpful to use guides as you roll out your clay. Here I'm using the rods from thin plastic hangers as guides so that I don't roll my slab too thick or too thin in any particular area. Roll from the center of the block out to allow the slab to move freely. Flip the slab over frequently so that it can continue to move freely as you roll it thinner and thinner. Keep repeating this process, flipping your slab over and rolling from the center out until it's about 1/4 of an inch thick. Use your smooth metal rib or your blue rubber rib to smooth out and compress the surface of your slab on both sides. Clay works best under compression. Doing this step will prevent some cracking that could occur as we ask the clay to bend into a round form. From this point on, you want your slab to stay nice and pliable. Be sure to put a piece of plastic underneath your slab so that it can stay moist while you work with it. Find objects that can be used to impress a design into the surface of your smooth slab. I use children's blocks, the end of my needle tool, and a pine cone to create this pattern. Cover your finished slab with plastic to keep it pliable for the next steps.